Al-Hadi, registered and largest international online Quran center for Mu'mineen all over the world. We provide online Quran teaching services on Skype. We have students in the USA, Canada, UK, Australia, Europe, and other countries. 24 hours power backup and high-speed internet. We teach 24 hours 7 days in the world. You select your time and day. One-on-one class per student. Highly qualified male and female teachers. English and Urdu spoken teachers. 3 days free trial classes. Affordable fee. Female teachers available for female students. No age limitation. Digital content will be provided. Get certificate on completion of your course. Online Sunday school. We offer basic the course with Tajweed and prayers. Untitled Quran with Tajweed. Quran memorization with Tajweed. Basic rules of Tajweed practice. Quran and Ahadees translation in English and Urdu. Arabic, English, and Urdu language courses. Al-Hadi Online Quran Academy. Contact +92 302 92 77071. www.alhadionlinequranacademy.com